physics. Today we are going to discussing OOPS concept in Java, encapsulation. What is the encapsulation? Encapsulation, the process of combining, binding data members and methods within a single unit. The process of binding up the data members and methods within a single unit. The process. See, data members and data methods. These two combining in a single unit. Called as encapsulations. Okay. What purpose we can use the encapsulation? The encapsulation mostly the process of hiding the data from the user. That is a use. Encapsulation, the process of hiding the data from the user. In other words, we can say it protects the code by preventing access from outside of the class. See, when you write the code, it will be, you can hide the code. Okay, you can protect the data members and data methods. Then you can access the outside of the class. Okay, you can say wrapping of the data members. Okay, function together in a single unit. That's what I'm saying. The binding the data methods, data members and data methods in a single unit. Okay, how to access the data to the data members, data methods from the outside class using the actually read and write the data. In this data fields, we can create public set getter and public setter methods. Public setter and public getter, based on these two things, you can access this data to the outside of the class. Basically, encapsulation means hiding the internal information. Okay, show the set of services what we are offering. The encapsulation achieved making the field private. Data members can declare the inside the function private, and using the setter and getter public methods set and get the data from the here. Okay, then the benefit of encapsulation. What is the benefit? Encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation. What is the benefit? Data hiding. Data hiding. Increased flexibility. Okay, you can make the variable of the class read only, write only, depending on the requirement. Suppose if you are declaring any variables, read only, write only, depending on our requirement. If you wish to make the variables read only, then we have to omit the setter method, like set name, set age, etc. We can use the methods. Okay, from program, if you wish to make the variable write only, then you can omit the get method, like get name, get age from the program. Okay, reusability. Encapsulation code, you can reuse some other classes where you required this code, we can reuse. Okay, in technology wise, encapsulation they can use mostly, you can use unit testing. Okay. Now you can go to the demo one by one. I can explain to you. Okay, this is a Java OOPS package. Now I can create a demo encapsulation. Demo encapsulation. Now you can create the private string name. Next one is private string emails. These two data fields. Now can use to public string get name. This is method get name return name. Okay. Public void set name. Public void set name. This dot name equal to name. Okay. Now public string get email. Get email return email. Return email. Now public void set email. Set email is dot equal to email. Okay. Is dot email. Calculates. Okay. Now I used a setter and getter method here. These two. Set the name. Okay. Set email. These two methods I am using is setter and getter method. Now what we can do, I need to access the outside of the class. What will be there here? Encapsulation is process of hiding the data from the user. You can hide that. See, when you're using the private, you cannot access the outside of the class. So what we can do, the other words we can say the protect the code preventing access from the outside class. Protect the code, prevent accessing from the outside of the class. We cannot access this code to the outer class. So when you wrapping the data members, the functions together in single unit. Now here is however to allow outside the class read to write the data, those data fields. Okay, fine. You are creating the private. How to use this email and name outside of the class? What is the process? Using the read and write public getter and public setter methods. Using these two, we can accessing the outside of the class. Now I can go there. I can create it one more class. See, demo encapsulation 1. Create one more class, demo encapsulation 1. How to access the data from there? Now what we can do now? One more class, demo encapsulation 1. So I can use to the this class instance. Okay, obj object is created, new instance. This one, okay, fine. Now obj dot obj dot obj dot what is the set name? Set name means Maxwell. obj dot set email. See, defining all the data different class, but accessing the different class. Okay, set means Maxwell at gmail.com. Okay, fine. We are passing the values. Now I need to print out these values whether passing or not. Out print ln system.out.println name obj dot one more space here. obj dot get name. obj dot get name. Now sorry get name. I'm not set get name only you can use set dot name. Dot get name. Already get the name. Okay, sorry. Get name. System.out.println set event. Get see when you run this one, what is output you can check it. Run this one. See Maxwell and Maxwell name. Okay, here is public set name, set email. Okay, set email and set name methods are used to access the point of the instance variable. Used to access the points of the instance variable. Let's create an instance. The user detail. This is the user details of the class from the instance variable. Normally, user details we can access the name and email ID. We are accessing. Okay. Normally, these methods are referred to getter and setter in Java. These methods are referred to getter and setter in Java. Okay. So this is what encapsulation. Please subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, comment section, comment. Thank you.